So now we're going to talk about the perimeter of a triangle. So before we get into that, just a reminder that the perimeter, you're looking for the distance around something. So think of a perimeter fence. It goes around the yard, okay? That is, how far are you walking on that? So the perimeter of a triangle is the sum of all three sides. How long are you walking if you walk all along the outside of that triangle? Sometimes you'll see the formula written like this, that P for perimeter equals A plus B plus C. So these represent the three side lengths of your triangle. Now, let's look at some triangles. So here, this one's pretty easy. For our perimeter, we would just take 3 plus 4 plus 4. But sometimes they may go ahead and throw in the altitude or the height of that triangle and tell you that that is 2 inches. That's what these little marks mean, inches, okay? The altitude, the height of that triangle has nothing to do with the distance around the triangle. So for the perimeter, we're going to ignore this number. So the perimeter would just be 3 plus 4 plus 4. Let me erase that. Kind of got messed up there. 4 plus 4, which would be 8, 9, 10, 11. And if we're walking around for distance, we just have a single unit. So in this case, it's just 11 inches. Okay? Going to this one, our right triangle. Again, all we have to do is add up the three side lengths. So the perimeter would be 3 plus 4 plus 5, which would give you a perimeter of 7 plus 5 would be 12. And here, what our unit was feet. That's what the one little mark means, is that you're measuring in feet. So the perimeter of this triangle is 12 feet. Now, down to here. You don't just want to take 3 numbers and add them. You have to make sure that those are the side lengths of your triangles. So if we look at this one, we have 4 numbers. One of these we can't use, okay? So if we look, the 6 has to deal with my triangle. The 8 and the 4 all tell me the sides. This 4 is telling me the height of that triangle, or the altitude, which is actually not part of our triangle. So this 4, in the sense of perimeter, is going to be irrelevant. So if you need to, cross it out, okay? So for this one, the perimeter would be 4 plus 6 plus 8, which would give us 18. And this one is measured in centimeters.